Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Lena's gonna model darlings. Alright guys, you are loving this dress, right? Isn't it gorgeous, darlings? Alright guys, thank you all for watching. Trying to look a real tall, darlings. Is it working? Now guys, my new wig is going to be entering my studio soon and being on my head, and I'll be able to perform with it. You will love it so much, guys. It'll be so beautiful, darlings. Looking really good as Melina today. Alright guys, thank you for watching me perform. Thank you for watching me perform. Bye everyone. Click that subscribe. Like Judy Garland clicked her heels in Wizard of Oz. Alright guys. Click that subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye now.